Okay. Thought I'd take the opportunity to show you all something that is very, very common in Southeast Asia. Now, when you go into a shower recess, you go, where's the tap? There's the tap, faucet, what we like down there. And the water comes up here through the water heater and then out there. So you have to turn on the water heater. Now, the interesting thing about this is you've got a water heater in the shower recess. There's the power cord, goes up there. So be really, really careful, okay, because here in the Philippines and in Thailand, that's 110 volts, okay? So if you get it wrong, it could be a really shocking experience. So take care. I think it's interesting because there's no way in the world that would be legal in Australia. But hey, each to their own. I think if you have a look, the wire hanging loose out of the top is a bit of an interesting experience because that to me looks like the earth wire. Whoops. Anyway, thought that might be kind of interesting for most people who haven't been to Southeast Asia. It's very, very, very common here in many hotels, guest houses. It's so that hot water can be supplied to your shower for those of us from the West that like a warm shower. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye for now.